Ty here. I've got Brodie rolling around with me for the next month. So he's a qualified plumber who's just started with us. So we're gonna roll around together, do some work, get him sort of set out, ready to complete some jobs, and yeah.
Hey, I'm Brodie. Just started with same day trades. So I've been a maintenance plumber most of my apprenticeship, did a bit of commercial, domestic as well. I've also done a bit of new homes. Just thought I'd come back to maintenance, and I thought same day trades is the perfect place to be. Simon was so fantastic in my interview. He just ticked all the boxes. I love the work-life balance as well, and all the guys have been so fantastic, so best place to be.